Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new project called BUSD Machine version 3. So it's very new. It just started yesterday. You see 15th September, 2 o'clock, and yeah, it's not even 24 hours old right now. So let me show you guys. It's pretty easy to understand. There's not much to explain about this one. Telegram group, you see 2,410 members, and there has been an audit, and you can see the overall score is 89. Okay, so yeah guys, so let me show you. Basically, right now, there are two functions. Okay, you can mint BUSDM. BUSDM is their own token, so to say. How does it work? You stake your BUSD, okay, your Binance US dollar, so to say. You stake them and you get an APR of 547%, okay? As of right now, you can see there are 115,900 BUSD staked, okay? What happens then, yeah? You can claim your rewards, yeah? And you can just keep them, or just that you understand, then you can stake your BUSDM. So you mint BUSDM, that means you invest your BUSD and you get BUSDM as rewards, yeah? Then you have two options. You can stake your BUSDM and you get an APR of 912%. Right now you can see there are 17,602 BUSDM staked, or the other option would be that you just sell them and you earn BUSD, okay? So I would say pretty easy to understand. You invest your BUSD, you get BUSDM, okay? Then two options, you can sell them and you get BUSD, or you stake them and get 912% APR, yeah? So pretty easy to understand. Yeah guys, there is a 10, yeah, exactly. If you invest, there's a 10% fee on BUSD, but a 0% fee on BUSDM. And if you sell, 0% fee, okay? So I would say that's pretty easy to understand. And guys, as always do your own research before you invest in any of those projects, because you never know what's going to happen. And yeah, no financial advice. I'm just here to show you those opportunities. So guys, that's an easy process, easy to explain, and I guess also easy to understand. I will put my link in the description, and you can also do this if you start it, and you will get 2% from each referral deposit, okay, as a reward. So guys, that's BUSD Machine. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.